To install Thinkorswim on a Chromebook, you will need to follow these steps. First, ensure your Chromebook is running the latest version of Chrome OS, as this will provide the best compatibility with the application. Next, you will need to enable the Google Play Store on your Chromebook if it is not already enabled. To do this, click on the time in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select the Settings icon. Scroll down to the Google Play Store section and toggle the switch to the right to enable it. Now that the Google Play Store is enabled, you can download and install the Thinkorswim mobile app. To do this, open the Google Play Store and search for Thinkorswim in the search bar. Select the Thinkorswim app from the search results. Then click the Install button. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the Thinkorswim app from the Chrome OS launcher. You will need to log in to your TD Ameritrade account to access the full features of the app. If you do not have a TD Ameritrade account, you can create one from within the app. After logging in, you will have access to a wide range of trading tools and features, including charts, quotes, and account management. You can customize the app to suit your trading needs and even set up push notifications to stay informed about market events. It is worth noting that the Thinkorswim mobile app may not have all the features of the desktop version, but it still provides a powerful and flexible trading platform. To get the most out of the app, it is recommended that you familiarize yourself with its features and settings, and take advantage of any available tutorials or support resources. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully install and use Thinkorswim on your Chromebook, providing you with a convenient and powerful tool for managing your trades and investments on the go.